Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about variable separable. This is under differential equations. This math is intended for students who are majoring in mathematics and sophomore engineering students. I have here number 1, 2y dx is equal to 3x dy. So I need to divide this one by x, y, both sides. This will be crossed out, and then this will be crossed out also. So I have now 2 dx over x is equal to 3 dy over y. Okay? So I need to separate the constant. So integrating both sides, so this will be 2 integral of dx over x is equal to 3 because this is constant. So I need to separate integral of dy over y. Okay? So, as we study in differential equation and integral, dx over x, that will be 2 ln x. And then this will be equal to dy over y, integral of dy over y, that will be 3 ln y plus c, the arbitrary constant. So, using our logarithmic function, this will be ln x squared, okay, is equal to ln y cubed plus, let's say, ln c. So, this will be ln x squared is equal to, for logarithmic function, this will be ln a plus ln b is equal to ln ab. So, this will be ln cy cubed. So, dividing both sides by ln, this will be cross out. So, I've got x squared is equal to cy cubed. So, this is my answer for number 1. Now, let's proceed to number 2. Number 2 is sine x, sine y, dx plus cosine x, cosine y, dy is equal to 0. So I need to divide by this one, divide by sine y, and then here cosine x. Then this also sine y, cosine x. Also the 0. So this will be sine y, cosine x. So this will be crossed out. This will be sine x over cosine x. Then this will be dx, right? This will be plus. Cross out cosine x. So I have here cosine y dy over sine y. Okay, 0 divided by sine y cosine x, that will be 0. Then what's the next? So we can integrate both sides. Integrate this one. Integrate this one. Integrate 0. So this is my assumption. Let u will be cosine x. What is the derivative of cosine x? So this will be negative sine x dx. Then how about the second part? U will be sine y. Du will be positive cosine y dy. So for this, so sine x dx is this one. So need to transpose a negative, so this will be negative. Du will be, because this is positive, sine x dx. So I have here integral of sine x dx is negative u. Then cosine x is my u. And then this will be plus integral of cosine y dy is du. And then sine y is u. Then this will be integral of a constant is integral of a number that will be constant. So need to erase in here because I don't have space. So this will be negative ln u. Then plus ln u. Plus, since they have ln, so I can put this one ln also. Ln constant. So this will be ln u. I can transpose this one to the right. So this will be ln c plus ln u. So this one is ln u. This is ln sine y. And then this is equal to ln c plus ln cosine y, cosine x. This is cosine x. So this will be logarithmic function. We can combine this one because ln, so this will be ln c cosine x, right? And then this will be ln sine y. Then divide both sides by ln. Divide both sides by ln, cross out. So my final answer for number 2 is sine y is equal to c cosine x. So that's my answer for number 2. That's all.